Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here to do a quick flip through of my flower journal for Dear Julie's July Just Junk Journal Challenge. So and I'm not going to point out every element. I've listed them all or photographed them all and put them on the challenge Facebook page and made videos of most of them. So here I've got my book. It's got a 1.5-inch spine, 3 signatures. I put 8 pages in each signature. I did a simple tie wrap and added a couple of jewelry charms on here. I didn't cover my book, only the spine, because this is a Van Gogh painting and I absolutely love it. So I just left that as is. I believe I used every page from the book in some way in this. So here I've got a little front pocket with a journal card. And here I've got stenciling on the background, card with a pocket with a little pull tab card. A little stamped and painted image on a book page. Here I've got a top tuck with a journal card tucked inside. Here I made a little coin envelope with a ticket inside and a little tag. Some writing space. Here I've got a belly band with a little journal card tucked inside. And here I'd made a little snippet and I just left that as a top tuck and stuck a ticket in there just so it could be seen that it was a tuck. Here's another stamped and painted image that I just made a little label out of. Here I've got a hidden paper clip. I actually didn't put anything in that paper clip. And I've started picking up. I'll just stick that in there for now. And on this side, got the other side of the paper clip. Graph paper writing space. Here I've got a little charm that I made with part of a magazine page, and I put glossy accents on that. Here I've got a little fabric pocket with a journal card inside. More writing space. Here I used a calendar page to make this envelope, and inside I've just got some writing pages, a little notebook. And then that also could be used as a tuck space. And it's held with paper clip I made. I made a couple of paper beads, used a little bit of wire and charm from the piece of jewelry I was using. Writing paper. Here I've got a little fabric flip. Here I used an envelope to make, no, what did I use there? I guess I just used some coffee dyed bad printer paper. Put some napkin on there with a tag. This is an envelope that I had used. I took it all apart, collaged, book page there, and a journaling card in this pocket. And this is the other half of the envelope. I took the flap, folded it over, made a little side tuck in it with another journaling card, and more collage and book page. This is coffee dyed print test paper, alignment paper. And here's some more snippet, again as a tuck with just a little ticket stuck in there. This is my privacy envelope, made a triple pocket. So we've got a pocket here with some snippet, a pocket here with a tag, and pocket with a tall tag in it. I ended up stamping far more tickets than I needed, so I just started using them as fill spaces. Here's more of the book page, stamped on and painted with inks. Here's another little corner tuck made with the napkin and tag in there, just a piece of fabric, a little tab there. This is wrapping paper, and just more stamped and a little bit of fabric. Here I've got another paper clip that, again, I did jewelry with a book page paper bead, and it's holding closed this, which is just some flipped out journaling space. And here I've got another fabric pocket, and in this pocket I used a small envelope and just made sort of butterfly closure for the front, and I actually put this in backwards, so some writing paper, but it goes this way. When I did it, I had it upside down, so the pages ended up being this way instead of being over here like they should have been, but it still works just fine. I'll tie that in a minute. I made a book page banner and another journaling card under there. More fabric, just a little tab, little interest. Here I made a butterfly belly band, and inside I've got magazine page, a wardrobe with some journaling space inside. And here I used an envelope and made double pockets, and they each have a journaling card inside with fabric and napkin. And the background fabric is fabric that I had stamped on. Here I've got another top tuck made with my linen and some napkin. And another little journaling card. And this one, there's actually a little tuck spot right there. And then my back pocket, which is very similar to the front pocket, with yet another little journaling card. So that is my flower journal for this month. Oh, and I used some of my linen that the edges of it were scalloped, so I just ruffled that up and used that on the front and back edge of my journal. So that's it. I really enjoyed this challenge. As some of you saw this, or as I'd been mentioning, this challenge was kind of difficult for me. Not anything to do with the challenge itself, just my mindset. But I made it through, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome. And I want to thank dear Julie for hosting yet another wonderful challenge. And I look forward to next month's challenge, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye-bye.